Welcome to the fifth lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 3, focusing on creating knit specifications with traditional flat patterns. Import the flat pattern into SmartKnitter. Right-click on a blank area, select Add, then Import Image. Set the vertical dimension of the flat pattern to facilitate the tracing process. Right-click on the flat pattern image, select Measure Dimension, then input the dimension. Right-click on the flat pattern image again, select Order, then send it back. Right-click on a blank area, select Add, then Add Panel. Add nodes to trace the flat pattern accordingly. Proceed to set the relevant dimensions and edit the knitting rules as usual. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.